every once in a while I get one of the new toys, right? Mercury put in a new digital throttle system that they're coming out with. Their DTS system, this is the panel mount. It comes in a single and a dual helm configuration also. So being the panel mount, what's new? What's the new features in this unit? Well, the first thing that you'll see and that you'll notice is that active trim is built right into the unit. I can turn active trim on. You can see the lights brighten up here. Active trim trims your boat automatically for you. It's the coolest thing ever. You'd think if you're an experienced boater, well, you don't need to do that automatically. You're good at it. The trim button yourself. I found myself using active trim all the time. And I never thought that would be the case, but it definitely is. You can change configurations of active trim. All I got to do is read through the directions. It's very easy to use. Essentially, you've got a start-stop button right here. These units are so smooth that when it's running, a lot of times it's hard to feel the shifting. And the one thing that they did put on here is a neutral button, this green light. You can see if I put it in reverse, the light goes off. As soon as I get into neutral again, that indicator goes on, so it tells me that the engine's in neutral. One of the coolest things that I like is that they have a brightness feature on here. And brightness, by that I mean I can actually turn down the brightness or turn up the brightness on my SmartCraft gauges that are on my dash. So that is a really cool feature. I find myself many times where I want to adjust that brightness, and instead of going through the menus, you can do it right here on the throttle. So it's a cool deal. Ergonomics of this is incredible. They spent a lot of time making these DTS systems comfortable in your hand. I know from running this fall where I'd run sometimes an hour at a time, I wouldn't get any hand fatigue or anything like that like I did on some of the other throttles. So brand new toy for Mercury Marine. It's made for making your life a little bit easier, and believe me, this one definitely did that.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.